विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 आणि थेरम्स काही प्रॉपर्टीज शिकलात. आज आपण पेज नंबर 39 वरील परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर थेरम शिकणार आहोत. तत्पूर्वी एक ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपण पाहणार आहोत. लेट्स रिकॉल मध्ये ड्रॉ सेगमेंट ए बी ऑफ कन्व्हिनियंट लेंथ, ड्रॉ इट्स परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर. You know how to draw the segment and how to bisect it. First, I draw the segment AB of convenient length, means segment AB I take 6 centimeter. How to draw the segment AB? From scale, first you take a 1 point here from 0 to this 6. Again you take here point and draw the segment, draw the line name point A, point B. Segment AB, its length is 6 centimeter. You show the length of segment AB 6 centimeter in this way. Okay. Now, in segment AB, point A, point B are called the end points of the segment. Now, how to bisect it? Take a rounder or compass. You take a distance in compass more than and half of this segment AB. म्हणजे segment AB च्या निम्म्यापेक्षा जास्त अंतर आपण या कंपास मध्ये घेणार. and you draw the arcs in this way. आपण segment AB च्या वरच्या बाजूस एक आर्क ड्रॉ केला. सेम खालच्या बाजूस एक आर्क ड्रॉ करणार. सेम डिस्टन्स आपण या कंपास मध्ये ठेवणार आणि या बी पॉइंट वर कंपासचं हे आयर्न एंड लोखंडी टोक ठेवणार आणि इंटरसेक्टिंग आर्क्स ड्रॉ करणार. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी असे पॉइंट मिळतील. या दोन्ही पॉइंट मधून जाणारी लाईन ड्रॉ करणार मी. या लाईनलाच आपण परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर ऑफ सेगमेंट AB असं म्हणतो. लाईन L इज द परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर ऑफ सेगमेंट AB. आता परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर का बोलतो आपण बघा. ही लाईन L सेगमेंट AB ला M पॉइंट मध्ये इंटरसेक्ट करते. इफ यू मेजर द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन पॉइंट AM and distance between point BM, these are equals. म्हणजेच AB चे दोन कॉन्ग्रुएंट पार्ट झालेत AM and BM. Again, if you measure the angle between the line L and segment AB at this point M, then this angle 90 degree. Hence, this line L is perpendicular to segment AB. Again, AM is equal to BM, means point M is the midpoint of segment AB. Hence, line L is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Now, you study about the perpendicular bisector theorem, part first. Every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant from the end points of the segment according to given statement I draw the segment AB. Line L is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Take any point P on the line L. This is given. To prove segment PA congruent to segment PB means PA is equal to PB. Construct. I draw the segment AP and segment BP. Now proof. In figure there are two triangles, triangle PMA and triangle PMB, in which segment PM is the common side. This segment PM is a common side. Again angle PMA congruent to angle PMB, each 90 degree. Segment AM congruent to segment BM. This is given. Hence these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. Hence I write the proof. In triangle PMA and triangle PMB, first congruent part segment PM congruent to segment PM, common side. This PM is the common side. Angle PMA congruent to angle PMB, each 90 degree. Angle PMA, angle PMB, each 90 degree. Segment AM congruent to segment AM, given. AM BM given, sorry, I write here BM. Therefore triangle PMA congruent triangle PMB by SAS test. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding remaining parts also congruent. Hence I write here segment PA congruent to segment PB, corresponding sides of congruent triangle, that is PA is equal to PB, PA is equal to PB. Hence every point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is equidistant from the endpoints of the segment. Theorem is proved. Now part 2. Any point equidistant from the endpoints of a segment lies on the perpendicular bisector of the segment. According to given statement, I draw the segment AB. Hence I write given point P is any point equidistant from the endpoints of segment AB, that is PA is equal to PB. I take here point P such that PA is equal to PB, means point P is equidistant from the endpoints of segment A and B. This is given PA is equal to PB. To prove this point P is on the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. AB चा जो परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर आहे त्याच्यावर P हा पॉइंट आहे हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. मग त्यासाठी कन्स्ट्रक्शन करणार मी सिगमेंट AB वर M हा पॉइंट घेणार की जो AB चा मिड पॉइंट असेल. मीन्स AM इज इक्वल टू BM. Construction, take point M of segment AB and draw line PM. PM line draw केली. Now proof. In triangle, this proof is by activity base. In triangle PMA and PMB, segment PA congruent to segment PB. This is given. Hence I write here given. Segment AM congruent to segment BM according to construction. Hence I write here construction. And segment PM congruent to segment PM in both the triangle. Means PM is the common side. Hence I write segment PM congruent to segment PM common side. Therefore triangle PAM congruent triangle PBM. Triangle PAM congruent triangle PBM by side test. Means S test. Here two triangles are congruent, then their remaining parts also congruent. Hence I write here angle PMA congruent to angle PMB, corresponding angle of congruent triangle. But angle PMA and angle PMB are the linear pair angles, and you know the sum of the linear pair angles is 180 degree. Hence I write here but angle PMA plus angle PMB is equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle PMA I write as it is, plus instead of angle PMB I write angle PMA. Why? From this statement I write the reason here is equal to 180 degree. Angle PMA plus angle PMA, its sum is 2 times angle PMA. This is equal to 180 degree. Therefore the measure of angle PMA is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. You transfer this 2 at this side. Hence angle PMA is equal to 90 degree. 180 divided by 2 means 90. Here angle PMA is 90 degree. You prove here, means segment PM perpendicular to segment AB. Hence I write here segment PM perpendicular to segment AB first. But point M is the midpoint of segment AB. From construction I write 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What I write here? Line PM is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB, and so point P is on the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Hence the theorem is proved.